Hey guys, so welcome to day 19 to the global launch of SACI Holdings. Again, SACI Holdings is a private equity and venture capital firm. And yesterday I talked a bit about what a private equity firm is. And today I want to talk much about what is a venture capital firm. A venture capital firm is an investment management firm that specializes mainly on investing in new businesses, startup businesses. They aggregate funds to invest in small businesses. Of course, they also leverage on both institutional investors and wealthy individuals, pull the funds together and put it into, high growing firm, startups, but businesses with high potential for revenue. And typically, what do a venture capital firm provide aside liquidity? They also provide structure. So as a firm, SACI Holdings will be helping a lot of these companies we're going to be working with to have good structure. We are, of course, the general partners. The investors we are bringing in for a lot of these small businesses are, private limited partnerships, while we are the general partner. And we're able to help structure a deal to help small businesses move to the next level, raise capital. We have realized that there's a huge market. Nigeria has a lot of young people and middle age as well who have great ideas but need funding and need people who have built credibility over the years to help. Another thing is that we bring on board is our active involvement. We definitely will have a board seat in each of these businesses we're investing in, so we can help give ideas on operational structure and helping the business to really scale the way she needs to. We're also helping the company have, we also focus on certain areas, for example, AI, biotech, as some of the sector. Agriculture is major for us. Fintech is major in the portfolios we're interested in investing in. We're also looking at, of course, mobility, but, looking at hybrid cars and vehicles and any source of mobility that is hybrid, solar, electricity, that kind of thing. Those are areas we're interested in investing in. And we're hoping, of course, that some of the business there's no guarantees. I've often shared this. When it comes to investment, there is no guarantee. You can make it, you can lose your money, is what it is. So compensation for us is also that we have our management fees, and we also take a portion of the profits that each of these companies make. It could be 20, it could be 30, it could be 40% of the profit comes to us. The rest goes into the private limited partners, who are the either institutional investors or wealthy individuals who are working with us in each of these businesses we choose to invest in. Life cycle, we're looking at between 3 to 10 years to exit the business. So in 3 to 10 years, we want to be able to sell in form of IPO, or whichever way we can exit, we will be willing to exit and then, take away our profit, hopefully. And if it's losses as well, we want to be able to count our losses early and move on. But we are very excited about the fact that there's a high chance that what we've learned in 18 years of running business, 23 years of me just running different types of business, but 18 of running a registered company, we bring that to bear. And I've mentored a lot of mentees that have seen the kind of growth they got in 3 years as really humbling. So we're able to bring in a lot of this wisdom to help guide businesses. And please note, again, SACI Holdings headquarters is in the US. Okay. Yes, we'll be doing some things here in Nigeria, and other African countries, but we're a US-based firm. That is important to emphasize. And so we're open to investing in businesses anywhere in the world. And so when you hear we invest in a business in, let's say, India, don't come and say, well, but it's a Nigerian. There's so many businesses in Nigeria, it's not helped. Business is not sentiment, it's not emotions. If we see opportunity anywhere in the world, we will take it. But we're, of course, excited about the fact that back in Africa, there are a lot of opportunities as well, and we will be investing in those opportunities. So I hope this gives you some bit clarity on venture capital part of the business. Remember, we're both a private equity firm and a venture capital firm. So hope you have some ideas. Tomorrow we'll continue. I'm doing a 21-day countdown where I'm breaking down what we will be doing, the vision we have, the various programs we have at SACI Holdings, and how you can be part of us. Remember, you can visit www.saciholdings.com/community to join our community. You'll be able to join our, email list, WhatsApp community. You'll be able to join the global launch that is taking place on the 2nd of March, 2026. It's going to be a global launch. We'll have about just 100 people physically in the place, and the rest are joining us virtually from all over the world. And that's what we are providing. And we look forward to seeing you at that particular event, either physically or virtually. But join the community. I look forward to working with you one way or the other, whether I'm investing in your business or you are the one coming to me or coming to us with your resources to say, hey, I want to invest in this type of business, and we are providing those portfolios to you. Love you all. Bye-bye.